In a hidden magical forest, the adorable blue creatures known as Smurfs live joyfully under the guidance of their wise leader, Papa Smurf. Each Smurf has a unique personality and talent, contributing to the harmony of their community. However, their peaceful existence is threatened when the evil wizard Gargamel learns about their magical essence and becomes obsessed with capturing them. One day, a group of adventurous Smurfs venture beyond their village's borders. As they explore, they accidentally discover a magical portal that transports them to New York City. Lost and bewildered in the big city, they must find a way back home. Meanwhile, back in the Smurf village, Papa Smurf realizes that some of his little Smurfs are missing. Worried about their safety, he decides to venture into the outside world to find them, accompanied by a group of loyal Smurfs. In Central Park, the lost Smurfs encounter a caring human couple, Patrick and Grace Winslow. Patrick is a marketing executive, and Grace is an environmentalist. At first, the Smurfs are hesitant to reveal their magical existence to the humans, but they eventually build a heartwarming friendship. As the Smurfs and their human friends work together to find a way to return home, Gargamel, with his devious cat Azrael, follows their trail to New York City. He is determined to capture the Smurfs and extract their magic to become the most powerful sorcerer. Throughout their adventures in the human world, the Smurfs learn valuable life lessons. Smurfette grapples with her identity as the only female Smurf and discovers that her value lies in her actions and choices, not her origin. Clumsy embraces his mistakes and learns that his unique traits can be strengths. Brainy learns humility, and Hefty discovers the importance of empathy and friendship. As the Smurfs come close to finding a way back to their magical forest, Gargamel finally catches up to them in Central Park. A thrilling chase ensues, with the Smurfs and their human friends working together to outwit the wicked wizard. With the help of Patrick and Grace's friends, the Smurfs create a magical blue moon to return to their world. Just as they are about to leave, Gargamel captures Smurfette, attempting to drain her of her magic. The Smurfs, now united and determined to save their friend, launch a daring rescue mission at Gargamel's lair. In a heart-pounding showdown, they outsmart Gargamel, and with the combined powers of friendship and teamwork, they defeat him. Having returned safely to their enchanted forest, the Smurfs celebrate their victory and newfound appreciation for their unique qualities. They bid farewell to their human friends, grateful for the unforgettable adventure they shared. Back in the Smurf village, life returns to its joyful and harmonious state. The Smurfs now understand that embracing their individuality and supporting each other is what makes their community strong. The Smurfs is a heartwarming and exciting movie that captivates audiences with its magical world and endearing characters. It teaches valuable lessons about friendship, self-discovery, and the power of unity, reminding us all that we are stronger together, no matter our differences. For more such amazing videos, please subscribe to the channel.